send it.
What is up, guys and gals? All right, I found another victim, potential victim. He's asking $874, an oddly specific amount for this 1995 Honda Accord LX. It looks like the door's got a little dent in it. I mean, there's some body damage, but it's overall not too bad, and it comes with a VTEC head, intake manifold, some other little parts, so some stuff I might be able to make some money back up on. And if you look right there, she's a manual transmission. I talked to the guy. He said the car is running and driving fine. He was originally going to do a head swap and put a P28 in it. I don't know if it comes with a P28 or not. I forgot to ask him that. But I do know that this is a perfect little setup to throw a turbo kit on. So I just got up with him and I'm getting ready to go see if I can't pick up the car. He said he is a little bit flexible on the price, so if I could get this for $600 and then potentially sell off some of the extra parts to get my my investment in this car down to that $400 or $500 range for the upcoming turbo car challenge, that'd be awesome. So just stick around, let's go. Alright guys, I'm about to roll up to the location. Oh, nice little Corvette right there. So I'll ask him if I can record. I don't know. I don't like to just jump out with a camera right in front of people's faces. So if he says it's cool, then I'll record. If not, then I guess I'll just keep y'all updated after the fact, and we'll see how it goes. Ladies and gentlemen, look, it's back there. I didn't record while I was there because he had to go to work, so he made it really snappy, but she is on the trailer. I'm gonna go over to my dad's shop and get this thing off the trailer and introduce you to the new ride. So look forward to it, guys. Woo! We could turn the tune up and blow a little smoke on the car, break it in, you know. She's smoky now.
I think you're stuck. The only other thing I think of is put boards under the ramps to bring them up more. Yeah, I don't know. I got two. All right, send it. There goes the
broke it already. Guys, yeah, on me just for 1 second. So, okay, I got Nick, my cameraman over here. We're driving the car. First impressions of like driving the car. Clutch is a little, I'm not gonna say the clutch is grabby. I guarantee this is an old, worn out OEM clutch. Not a problem, probably gonna have to change that out. But the air conditioning, ice cold. Like the air conditioning works. So like, I'm gonna have to turn it down. It's getting too cold in here. But it drives pretty smooth. I feel a little bit of motor mount clunk when I come on and off throttle. Not a big deal. Might try to fill those up with some epoxy. Motor seems to be running pretty decent. It's got an idle air control valve or idle valve issue, so it's bouncing whenever you let it idle. But it looks like this thing is basically ready for a turbo kit like as soon as possible. So I need to get on start finding me some parts. I'm gonna do a video going over everything on the car coming up next. This is just kind of me getting into it. I was gonna do a pull, but we're gonna get some gas because it's about to run out of gas. And a huge shout out to the guy that I bought it from. Thank you for the deal on the car, much appreciated. And here, I'm gonna slow down then. We're recording. We'll go from first. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. I'm going to get to working on the car, but before I do that, I'll go over everything in its stock form and the plan for the car, and I'll do a formal intro into the $500 Turbo Car Challenge. That's what this car is going to be used for. So the initial, you're supposed to buy the car for like 500 bucks. Obviously, I paid a little bit more than that. I'll explain. I got some parts that I got to sell off to make up the difference, but I'm loving the car. Like, it's actually a lot of fun to drive. It's not super fast, but it's almost like that old saying, it's more fun to drive a slow car fast than a fast car slow, and I'm having a ball with it. So we'll see you on the next video. Peace out. Adios. Later.